On this episode of Garage Idiots, we install BC coilovers on our MR2 chassis that our Volkswagen Bug sits on and properly test them. Wow! Yeah, I want one!
It's not like...
Yes, it is!
No, it's
You're a weak little... Last episode, I showed you what I put all your Patreon money towards, and it was a new set of BC coilovers. Now we're going to install them. Moment of truth.
Yes. Let's see what we got here.
These are the cool wheels that are on the back. Hey! Oh. Oh, it's so close.
Oh man.
It's just barely kissing it.
Dang it.
It's on the, you could really see it on the camera. It's right on the, like this bubble right,
Is
this
it really?
line right here. Stupid stretch
Dang
tires.
it.
Well, at least the spacer will be small enough to where
small.
you're not even gonna notice it.
Yeah.
These tires aren't as wide as the rear either, huh?
Those are wider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That'll be good. Okay, we bleed brakes now.
Okay. I pump.
You push.
Holding!
Let's go ahead.
That was the most dramatic. You bleeding brakes or taking a poo?
Both.
Okay, pump.
Yes.
Okay. I pump.
Oh, that was mad.
Is it angry?
It's a lot of bubbles.
Bubbles?
A lot of bubbles.
Okay.
Okay, go again, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Pump. Okay.
Oh, the pads are moving. It's good.
Oh, I saw that one.
No bubbles.
Yes. No bubbles?
No.
Okay.
See how you feel, or how it feels.
It's steep.
See how you feel.
Yes. It's very steep.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Okay, to the back.
Yes.
Mena, I can edit. You don't have to go that fast and be that cool. There you go.
I like to be NASCAR driver.
Yeah, I was gonna say practicing for NASCAR. Yeah, get it! Go! Yeah, break the stud! Break the. Okay. Oh, you got mine to do.
Yes.
Do mine.
Yes.
Break those studs.
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, go. Not bad. Way slower than the other guys.
Can I critique you?
Yes.
You went all the way around.
I know. But it's on.
It's on.
Wait. Yeah, it's on.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
balanced too.
Yeah,
Okay.
Exactly.
To the rear.
Okay. Front needs to go down.
This is true.
Yes.
Bueno.
This is gonna ride really nice.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Okay.
We'll be doing it soon.
To the back of the car.
We should probably.
This is going to. It's not like. Yes, it is.
No, it's
You're a weak little sausage.
All right.
I wanted to say this is why people don't like you, but no one dislikes you.
I know, everyone likes you. Everyone likes you.
Shut up. Okay. Bubbles.
Bubbles! Okay, go again.
Okay.
Ooh. Bubbles, okay.
Pump.
Yes, please. Oh, we good.
Okay.
Yes. How you like to feel?
It's stiff.
Good.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, that was more than the front. But the front has nothing, and this has.
Yeah.
How much does that motor and trans weigh? Probably like 4 or 5.
Probably. It sits lower.
I can't. It looks exactly the same.
Okay.
It's just deceitful because you don't see the suspension anymore.
Yeah.
Cray cray.
Super great.
You lose your hat.
Yeah.
And glasses. Bye, Grandma.
That's what I driven it. It's fast.
It's fast.
Yeah.
I probably didn't look like much, but wind in your face and grandma wind, it's fast.
That's what I said earlier.
Wow.
Yeah.
I want one.
It's yours. I gotta move it.
Duh.
How do you feel?
Huh?
How do you feel?
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think I blew something off.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was way cool.
Bad grandma got hurt. Yeah, it is.
It's fast.
Can I go for a ride now?
We don't have seat belts and it makes me feel really bad and I don't want to go fast.
Never wear seat belts.
This is different. It's in a freaking soon.
I never wore a seatbelt in the Evo until I put
If you
harnesses
go,
in it.
we are cruising. That's what I thought. Okay, it's cold, yeah? Yeah, now that they're gone, and I'm really not gonna lie, it scares me a little bit, and I need to get used to this machine. I want to watch.
Oh wait, why is it?
I can flip it when we edit.
Oh.
God,
It sounds so good.
it's so fast.
Yeah.
Just
It rode good with the coilovers.
it drove fantastic.
What you think?
I like.
You like?
I want to go for a ride.
We have to get seatbelts. I wasn't even supposed to do that. We got the tabs. Up there, at least.
Yeah, bungee cords.
guys doing
Bungee's ass.
What?
Are you doing a harness?
Yeah.
Tell Dennis I said well done on his.
Oh, yeah, that wasn't... that wasn't even on.
I meant boost.
Imagine how much faster it'd be if the throttle worked.
I noticed that when you went to pull back here.
Maybe it popped off from my aggressive shifting.
Yeah. Dude, I bet you it's a 12-second car.
I think that's a good amount of power for me to get used to.
Yeah.
Because
That's first and second.
that second gear pull that I did, it
Yeah.
was a little uncomfortable.
I liked it.
I don't think it, and that's what I know. Dennis got into it way more than I did.
Oh, you could-
but
yeah.
and on camera it didn't look as weird as it feels.
That is insane.
Big dick over here got 700 horsepower Evo and thinks that this is slow.
Never said that. I want to go for a ride in this thing.
Well, Andrew,
What
no.
happened was-
what had happened was. Okay, you gotta go. You gotta
Yeah,
go. I gotta
I
work.
gotta go.
Hey,
I'll go grab my harnesses out of the Evo.
I have harnesses or harness.
Thanks for letting me drive it. That was.
Thanks for driving it.
Yeah. Oh, no problem.
Yeah, I'm a little more nervous now than I was.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm fairly impressed with the motor.
Yeah.
I would.
Dude, it sounds-
halfway through that I was like, it's gonna go, so I'm just
No.
gonna stay in it, and then it didn't.
It did not.
No, it did good. I didn't notice a difference as far as ride quality with
It
these.
sounds so much better because there's not a lot of exhaust. Like it's just enough to sound aggressive and not sound ricey.
I think you're not giving the fabricator enough credit, but
I'm not gonna give him any credit. I'm just kidding.
yeah, it does sound, I think, better than it should.
Yeah. Oh man, that's fun. Anytime. Good to see you.
Good seeing you.
I'll see you guys soon.
Eat the balls.
Getting
I'm gonna go see if my actual will do that.
Yeah. Thanks, Mena.
Yeah, of course.
What's that?
T-clamp.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You just came here to use me.